welcome to our new podcast here at Sul Ross State University. This is the Get Lit Literacy and Technology podcast. My name is Dr. Jennifer Miller-Ray, and I serve as an associate professor in the education department here at Sul Ross, and I specialize in STEM literacy. I'm a program coordinator for our master's in education technology. So hit me up if you're interested in learning about that master's degree. I oversee a few National Science Foundation grant programs at Sul Ross State University and serve as the director of the La Frontiera Research Initiative, which houses the National Science Foundation's Noyce Scholar Program and our mobile STEM lab with the Science Mill Museum. And I'm joined with a dynamic Sul Ross recent alumni and graduate student.
Yes, and hi. My name is Dalen Dunbar, and I'm a proud alumni, and I'm a recent Bachelor's of Business Administration graduate and current graduate student in the MBA program. I also serve as a Noyce Research Assistant and the president of the Black Student Association here at Sul Ross SU, and also a proud member of the SRSU football team.
Yeah, go Lobos. You guys just had a game, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And we're very, very proud of the Division II, and you guys are doing great.
So, I would like to ask you a question. Dr. Miller-Ray, what is the Get Lit podcast about?
Oh, that's a good question. This has been kind of like a dream of mine for a couple of years. This podcast will connect extreme, X being the unknown, extreme learning approaches, exploring a variety of emerging technology approaches in STEM education. So we hope to improve STEM education teaching through interviewing local, state, and national experts on how to develop futuristic STEM career skills. We plan our weekly podcast exploring a lot of topics to include this year 3D printing, robotics, drones, artificial intelligence, and other cutting-edge approaches in the field of STEM education.
Wow, that is amazing.
Yeah, it's going to be an amazing year.
So how often will episodes be dropped?
We plan to drop episodes weekly with our first series highlighting 3D printing this fall. In addition to that, we plan to be publishing to a weekly blog soon, which will have a link to this podcast. But also using our social media, we will be sharing research, best practices, and also resources for educators. These are STEM educators that can teach pre-K all the way up to adult education. So it's really all facets of that STEM career pipeline in STEM education.
That is so fantastic and very exciting. And lastly, will there be any interviews?
We are super excited to be bringing in for our first interview a local expert in industrial technology, the department chair, our fantastic Dr. Eric Busby. He will be sharing about the uses of 3D printing in industry. We are also excited to be bringing in experts in the field of education technology and STEM from our state and nation as well. So stay tuned and check out our Noyce Scholars in La Frontiera program, Facebook, X, and Instagram pages to learn more. So I guess that's just like a quick sampling of what's to come, and we're just really, really super excited. And Dalen, we're excited to have you here to interview all of our awesome guests, and we're also going to have some how-to videos, how to make certain things, how to use the software, how to get connected so that you can find the hardware, the different resources available within our communities here at Sul Ross State University. So let's get lit. Let's become more literate in technology, and we look forward to sharing updates with you in the coming week.
Yes, ma'am. It will be amazing.